Here is the 2026 Denago MX1. This is the yellow edition here. Fully inverted forks, hydraulic disc brakes, color matching shifter, stator caps, gold chain guards, got CNC'd aluminum chain adjusters, match the bike. 27.5-inch seat height on this bike. Got the matching grips, CNC'd brake, colored matching cap here, foldable lever. This is a semi-automatic, no clutch, 4 gears. There's the electric start, kill switch there, throttle governor down there. This is like their top selling bike. Here's the MX1s. You even got the matching rear brake reservoir, the rear brake colored match even. It's got backup kickstart as well. These bikes come with a full factory parts and labor warranty. You can see these bikes and find them here at East Central Sports, Rush City, Minnesota. Check us out online, eastcentralsports.com.